Over 52,000 premature deaths, 31,300 preterm births, and 46,800 asthma emergency hospital visits. This could be the cost of India's continued commitment to coal in a span of just 10 years. India plans to expand its coal fleet by 28% between 2020 and 2030. A new global study of 64 megacities across the globe shows that India's plan to expand coal power could have devastating consequences. And the most affected will be the 5 major cities: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Bengaluru. Pollution caused by coal power plants travel up to 500 kilometers. Almost 55% of the country's coal is generated within a 500-kilometer radius of these 5 cities. Bengaluru's air pollution is already 3 times above the World Health Organization guidelines and is likely to double in the next 10 years. 14% of India's coal-generated electricity happens in the 500-kilometer radius of Bengaluru. National capital Delhi could witness nearly 5,280 premature deaths during the same period. The annual concentration of PM 2.5, which is one of the most hazardous particulate matter for human lungs, is more than 9 times the WHO guidelines. Kolkata is expected to be impacted the most, with the highest number of premature deaths, over 10,000, due to air pollution from coal. Moreover, the economic health costs associated with coal pollution are estimated at $46.5 billion, more than twice as much as India's total public health expenditure in 2018. India has the world's second highest number of operating and planned coal power plants. In April 2021, there were reports of India planning to build new coal-fired power plants as they generate the cheapest power. Unlike natural gas and oil, coal is concentrated carbon, and thus it accounts for a staggering 39% of annual emissions of CO2 from fossil fuels. On the positive side, coal's contribution to India's electricity generation has fallen the highest in the last 2 years. But the country's demand for power and the share of coal-fired power rose for 7 straight months starting September 2020. If the world wants to limit the global average surface temperature warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius of the pre-industrial levels, then the countries, especially in Asia, need new policies to stop using coal. The C40 report states that the world needs to reduce its coal use needs by 61% within 500 km of C40 cities by 2030. India needs to retire 20% of its existing plants and stop constructing any new plants in the proximity of the 5 most affected cities. The planet is already in disarray, with a climate crisis wreaking havoc from Europe to Asia. It cannot under any circumstances afford a continued expansion of coal between now and 2026 in major coal-using countries. A transition to renewable electricity like solar and wind would not only generate 880,000 energy jobs in India between 2020 and 2030, but also provide cheap and clean electricity. Which path will India choose? The time to decide and work is limited. A Federal Report.